If you clench or grind your teeth or feel your lower face looks wide or heavy, a masseter treatment can be very effective. We place a small amount of anti-wrinkle medication into the jaw muscle, and this helps to reduce tension and overactivity, relieve discomfort from clenching. Over time, it can also gradually soften and slim the lower face. The treatment takes around 10 to 15 minutes. You may feel a mild ache when chewing for a couple of days, but otherwise there's no real downtime. If you're treating facial slimming, the change develops gradually over about 4 to 6 weeks, and results will typically last between 4 and 6 months. As always at Osso Clinic, we assess your anatomy carefully and dose conservatively to maintain normal function while achieving balanced and natural results.